What's up, everyone? Let's talk about drip. All right. Welcome to Beach Office 365, where I bring you the latest and greatest in DeFi, crypto, and passive income. And today we're talking about my favorite DeFi project, Drip. Drip. So, I wanted to quickly do a little fireside chat with y'all about what I'm thinking about with Drip and what's going on. Um, I was talking with someone, or messaging with someone that I know who's in DeFi. What's funny is like none of my friends and family really know anything about crypto, and I can't really talk to them about it because they think I'm crazy. And I'm talking about like when I just want to talk about Bitcoin with them, like they're still. So if I tried to talk about DeFi with them, they would really think I had lost it. So the majority of people I communicate with on the daily, it's like people that I meet, through the Telegram and Discords, you know what I mean, and Facebook groups and Messenger. Like those are the people I interact with most because honestly, all I want to do is talk about crypto. That's why I created this channel, just so I could, spout off about crypto and DeFi projects. Anyway, I digress. I apologize. Let's get back to what we're talking about here. So anyway, I was messaging with someone who was talking about drip. He was saying the reason he didn't like it was because it's a multi-level marketing, and you cannot, once you deposit, you can't get your money back, right? Right away. I mean, in other words, you make the deposit, you're earning 1% interest on a deposit up to 365 days, but you can't pull it back out, right? And I responded with, I said, well, for one, it's not a true multi-level marketing. True multi-level marketing means that when you get in, you buy a bunch of shit that's useless, and then you get others to buy it, and then they become sellers. So in other words, you cannot make money in multi-level marketing unless you are recruiting new people. That's not the case with Drip. That's not the case at all. I mean, I don't have anybody on my team yet. Let's time in here. That's not the case. Yes, you can make money with referrals for sure, but you don't need to. In other words, you don't have to get other people in for you to make money on Drip. That's just the truth. Hang on here. Should have probably done that. Metamask has been kind of weird today. Let's see, I'm on my Ethereum, got to switch over, smart chain. Anyway, I'll let that load. So anyway, I was telling this guy, it's not true multi-level marketing. You don't need to make money. I mean, you don't need to recruit others to make money. Get my out of the way here. Let's go. What am I doing here? Oh, heck, that's losing my mind. Is anyone else experiencing slow MetaMask? Anyway, so I told him that it's not a true multi-level marketing. And then in terms of not being in, and additionally, the recruiting process that you do get, that Drip has in terms of people that are recruiting others to join. I mean, I actually like that. I like that we are incentivized to bring in new people. I mean, what a better way to talk about word of mouth. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I don't have anybody on my team yet. I would love to have you on my team. I will drop a buddy list, my buddy contact in the description below. Love to get that started. Still new to this channel. It's growing. I know people are going to be jumping in. I'm going to spoil the shit out of the first 25 people. So if you're not in Drip yet and you want to be in Drip, here's my buddy contact. I'll post it below. But anyway, I've made money on Drip. Look at this. I don't have anybody here. I can take this out if I want. I compound, 5 days a week, take out every 2 days a week. I mean, that's a good strategy. I mean, lately I've just been compounding. I did buy some Drip and I left 3 Drip in my wallet. That's why you see that there. But I did buy some on the dip and I decided to just leave the 3. I may decide to just deposit it. I don't know. But at any rate, yeah, when he said that he didn't like it because you couldn't get your initial out if you wanted, right? Like you know, once you put it in, you can't pull it back out all at once. I told him that that was a reason I actually like drip. I like that we can't do that. Let me tell you why. Because it really means that we're not gonna jeopardize of getting dumped on, right? You know, like I was in Time Wonderland. I mean, you know, that would have worked if everyone just kept their money in, right? You know, but people got scared, they started pulling it, you know, and the whole thing collapsed. Plus, there was, you know, all the stuff that went on with that. But the point is that I like that you can't get your money back, because then some of the people that are just dropping enormous amounts of money in here aren't going to be able to pull it all at once. Now, so the other thing, I was looking at this. Let me see here. You know, we look at the chart and, you know, we just see this huge run up and we see this huge fall, right? This enormous fall. So if we measure this, right, let me come over here. So it has fallen by 81%. Okay, you see that there? I mean, that's a big drop, no doubt. But people forget, and you can't really tell because this just kind of looks like it's like this long accumulation and there's not really a lot of like, but check this out. We drop from here to here. Look at that. 82%. I mean, that drop doesn't look as steep, but it's perspective, right? I mean, it's not going to look just because we have this huge we have this huge increase. So point is 86% there. Where else? Now I know there was an 80. It was like an 80 correction before, but when it first launched. But that's not on the chart here. But I mean, look at this, 60% or 50%. I don't think I drew that right. 50, 60% drops. I mean, this thing drops all the time, like big drops. Look at that, 40% drop, and that's only in a few days. And then it blasted off, right? This is not the first time we've seen this. That's the point of this. This is not the first time. Okay? It's going to drop, and you know what? It's going to go to the moon soon. I really believe that this thing is going to just start pumping, man. Like, wait till you see when the summer comes. Wait till you see when this degenerate DeFi space starts really blowing up. Like, very few people are even involved in crypto. And I'm talking like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's a very small percentage. And that is going to increase so fast. And as more people get involved in regular crypto, like I did at one point, I didn't know about DeFi in the beginning and like all this stuff. Right? I was just into Bitcoin and Ethereum and all that. So those people are going to go through that process, and then they're going to find DeFi and all the crap we're doing here. And this space is going to explode. Not a lot of projects, not all the projects are going to make it, right? There's definitely going to be a lot that fail. I really believe, even with this last 2 months of just suck, right? With an 80% correction, I really do believe drip is here to stay. So anyway, that's my little rant for the day. Remember, if you like any of this content, there should be a little icon below of my beautiful face looking out on the beach. If you like this, please like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. All right, folks, have a great rest of your day.